This broke McDonald's worker is about to start a business with $10,000 I just gave him, and he has no idea what he's doing.
You ready?
If this goes well, he'll go from working at a drive-thru in New Zealand to making real money from something he actually loves. But if this goes badly, I fear he'll be stuck working at McDonald's forever.
My goodness, bro. My heart's beating.
But first, let me take you back to where it all started.
Can I please have a spicy combo meal?
And what drink would you like?
A large Fanta.
Yeah, it's yours.
So I asked people their dreams, so I'm wondering if you actually have a dream or not I can help with.
Dream? I guess...
Tell us, we can make it happen.
I want to go into like finance.
I've got an idea for you. Are you going to be at the booth in a minute?
Yeah, I'm really here.
All right, I'm going to come and say hello to you. I've got an idea for you. Yo, mate. Okay, best way to learn finance and money, right? I'm going to give you $10,000. Okay, I'm going to give you $10,000. And then you're going to start a little business. And you're going to buy and sell stuff or start a little business with that money. And you're going to learn how money works by actually using money in the real world. You want to try? What's your name?
My name's Josh.
Josh. I'm going to come around now. Get your bank account ready. I love you. I just met you, but I love you. Goodbye.
Sometimes all it takes is one small conversation to change the direction of someone's life. Josh has a dream, but will he back himself?
So I'm going to give you 10 grand. Have you got a business idea for me?
You know, I like skiing. I also like music as well, like drums and stuff.
You're on the right track. When I first met you, you talked about finance.
Yeah.
This is not your passion. I'll give you this 10 grand, but I want to hear how you're going to make money out of one of your passions. Because people think you can't or you're not allowed to. You are allowed to make money out of your passions. I've written about this in my book, by the way. It's also a gift for you.
Oh.
So tell me, how are you going to make money out of your passion?
Okay, my passion would, maybe drums?
Josh has gone from dreaming about finance to drums, but can we get him to believe in himself? If he does, I have a special surprise for him.
Hopefully I can also learn to like teach people.
Okay, my son is just learning. He's 8 years old. He's just started playing drums.
Oh, really?
So I'll pay you 10 grand to give him a lesson. Then you're going to video that lesson and you're going to make money from the video of that lesson. Right? There you go. It's yours.
Oh, thank you.
So when can you give my son a lesson?
I can make a
Now!
video.
Say it,
Yeah,
anytime.
Now.
You're the #1 paying customer.
Yes.
Service is about energy.
Yes.
You're going to help my son learn to play drums. I've just given you 10 grand. Do this.
Yes.
Promise me. We live in London, so I'll see you're going to fly over? Yeah, you've got the money. What are you talking? Don't even hesitate. I'm your #1 customer. Service, look after me. Do it. See you in London?
I'm not sure about that.
Oh, come on.
I've just never travelled by myself before.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
You're 19, you've never travelled. You have to lean into fear. Yeah. Fear is how you become successful. Right? And in reality, going on a plane to London, it's not something to be fearful of. You should be excited. So I'll ask you one last time. You come to London and teach my son drums?
Yes, I would.
See you next week.
After helping thousands of people, I've noticed it's not the money or knowledge people need to make their dreams happen. It's the confidence. Josh's lack of belief is a problem. To remedy that, he needs to first be in the presence of people who've achieved their dreams.
Josh,
Hey,
you
Simon.
made it all the way from
Simon.
New Zealand. Where's your dad?
Oh, I just travelled alone.
Oh, well done, man. Well
Yeah.
done. Okay, so you made it this far. This is
Yes.
pretty exciting. Do you believe you can make money from drumming?
No.
Okay, but I've got one of the most successful online training drummers, a guy called Patrick, to talk to you.
Patrick made a successful career out of his drumming talent. With over 2 million followers on Instagram and working all over the world, this is the kickstart Josh needs to start his dream. Josh?
Hi, Josh. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm so happy to meet you.
This was Josh's first taste of turning his dream into a career. After an hour of speaking to Patrick, Josh now has the knowledge to turn his dream into a business.
So I charge at the moment, I think it's around $320 per hour. Okay?
$320 per
And
hour.
it's zero tax.
That's like in a week for me.
And it's zero taxable, by the way. Like, you can build an empire from this.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
I can already see Josh's confidence growing. Let's see how he does when I challenge him to teach my son.
You've got 1 hour to teach him a song, okay?
Yeah, sure.
I know you can do it.
Yes.
Do you believe you can do it?
I believe I can.
All right, 1 hour. On your marks, get set,
you think I could sit down? They would just play like a really simple game.
There's a...
Okay, maybe not that hard. So on the
2.
yeah.
Oh. They're getting me all mixed up now.
Right, how do you think it's going?
I think it's.
Giving it. Why are you even giving it that?
He knows like the exact beat. He knows what to do. He knows what to practice now. That's good.
1, 2. Wait. How about 1, 2, 3? No. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Time's up. 1 hour. Let me see what you have done. Aidan, you want to show me what you've learned?
Okay, you got this. 1, 2.
What do you think of the drum? Aidan's drum.
Crap. You're really, really good. Yeah, 80!
Good job.
Amazing, mate. High five. Good work.
Oh, thank you.
One more challenge for you. Tomorrow, I am talking in front of 2,500 people. You're going to come up and pitch your services to those people and get them to book you as a teacher of drums. Are you ready? You've come this far. You've got to believe in yourself. Let's get you a customer.
What would I say though? Like just.
You got 24 hours to figure that out, haven't you?
Yeah, that's right.
See you tomorrow.
Okay.
You're looking nervous.
Yeah.
What are you scared to charge people? Why are you scared?
Because I'm just scared that the person's gonna be some like drum prodigy, and then you're like, "What can you teach me?" And I'll show them, and they can just do it.
Well, they can just cancel your service. Not the end of the world, is it?
Before we see if Josh completes his challenge, I wanted to give Josh a break. I called and arranged a session with one of the UK's most prolific drummers.
Nice to meet you, man.
He's one of the best in the business.
I've never been there before. Are we going up or down?
Just speak to reception.
I don't know, wait, this crash is like broken, but we can work with it.
I can finally see a spark in Josh's eye. The most important part is him believing he can make his dream a reality. I've given him everything he needs to succeed, and now it's all just up to him making it happen.
Bro, you're locked in. But this is what I'm saying. Like, you can do it. You jump out, you can do it. It's easy stuff. Repetition, practicing, knowing your stuff.
Just like playing it simple, just kind of like brings a song together. Because
There you go.
even if you have like guitarists, pianists, if you play simple, you can hear all the other instruments. After I leave, I would actually love to come back, but the only thing is like
when you come back, I got you, man. Like,
I could really see how Josh came alive through living his passion. All I want for Josh is for him to be doing this every single day. He's gone from a shy teenager working in McDonald's, being given $10,000, flying halfway across the world, speaking to like-minded people, teaching my son, and now his biggest challenge, pitching his dream to 2,500 people at the London Palladium.
So Josh is set to go on stage and pitch his dream to 2,500 people. But there's one thing we forgot to do. This is the thing I see so many people do in business time and time again. They don't think through to the next step they're going to have to take. And Josh has made this mistake. You're probably making this mistake. And the mistake, when I tell you, sounds simple. I have the solution to this problem. When you start a business, you've got to, as quickly as possible, collect income. You've got to have a revenue source sooner rather than later. So that's why I partner with Tide Banking. And you can now set up a bank account. If you're based in the UK, right now, you can set up a bank account. Tide Banking can even help you open up a company. There's no excuse. Once you have a bank account, and if you use the code Simon when you open up this bank account, and you spend £100, you can get £50. But beyond that, once you have an account, people can pay you. You can actually start receiving money, start believing your dream is a reality, the pressure comes off. There's a link down below. Go get a bank account set up for your business and start collecting money. Start doing it now.
Everything has led up to this moment. If he can pitch his dreams to the audience of this exclusive Cathay Pacific event, his confidence will no longer hold him back.
I met 5 weeks ago in New Zealand when I flew there on Cathay. I paid for the flight myself. And I asked him his dream. I paid him $10,000. I set him a challenge. Come on stage in front of all of you guys and pitch his dream. Josh, come up. You now have 1 minute to pitch your business to everybody here and get a customer. Go.
So my name is Josh. I've flown from New Zealand with Cathay Airlines, and and so I've actually started playing drums when I was 3. I want to use that experience to help someone who's trying to achieve a drumming dream of their own, and I believe that that if someone really wants to learn, I feel like I've got the knowledge and the skills to help someone successfully learn. Yeah.
Okay. One final thing. If I've taught you nothing, young Padawan, the closing. Who would like to book Josh to teach him the drums? Only £200 and it's going to a good cause, 1 hour. Who wants it? 2, 3, 4, you've got 4 customers. Guys, I'm also going to buy you personally lunch and see if I can help you with your dreams. So those 4 people, you know who you are, come backstage afterwards. You just hired Josh. Josh, you've got 4 customers.
Okay.
Right, 5, 6. I can't afford lunch for everybody. There's 2,500 people here. Just stop. That'll do. See? People want it. You just need to ask. Josh now has a business teaching people the drums. Well done, Josh.
Thank you, Simon.
You did a good job, man. What's it feel like to have some paying customers?
It actually feels kind of good. I think after I did the lesson with your son, I think I've kind of got a little bit of confidence. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
All right.
Traveling to London definitely made me feel more confident. Learning to, take that extra step in life and kind of taking that risk, open the doors, like new opportunities. Using those experiences, I could use that to teach someone how to play. Not many people get an opportunity like this. I thank the whole team, especially Simon inviting me over to London, teaching Aiden the drums. I will definitely remember it throughout the rest of my life. My name is Josh and my dream is to teach drums.